Hello, welcome to my new video. I received a backdrop the other day from Babydream backdrops down below. That's a link. Okay, I was gonna do a video about this particular backdrop. As you know, many photographers struggle to find the right backdrops for their baby or newborn sessions. In this video, I'm just going to test out. Let's see how the quality and how it turns out into your photo. Let's take a look. That's the backdrop I was talking about. I received it as a tester from the company. They were asking me to send them the photos, but I haven't done them. Didn't have time. Now I've got the opportunity to do this cake smash. I'm also going to do a test. So as you can see, it's quite thin. It's called, I don't know the term. If I'm saying incorrectly, you can comment below, but it's called maybe polyester fabric or whatever. Feels like it was originally their version was more like a blanket. See this one behind that's more like a blanket. It has some fluff if you take a close look, and this one it's more smooth. It's a smooth surface, but I'm not sure what material it's made of. When it arrived, it was packed, it was folded and it was packed in a bag. You know, it was sent from overseas. I think it was from the US, and it was sitting in my studio for like about 2 weeks or so. So the creases, the only big creases were here. It's gone now because my assistant used the our steam iron to just got rid of the creases, the folds. It didn't take too long. It was about 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes to get rid of the creases. Nice and flat, looks pretty good. I like the fabric more than other materials, like let's say paper, polyester paper, or sometimes they use hand painted canvas, whatever material it is. It's a bit difficult to store them. Those paper, you got to roll them up and store properly, and once they've got creases, it's really hard to get rid of. Okay, so my client is gonna arrive in about 10-15 minutes. We're just gonna do some final prep for her cake smash, and we will definitely record the footage for the behind the scene, and also we'll show you the final products as the final images. Okay.